In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can share a reel to your Instagram story. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I'm watching some reels, and let's say I like it so much that I want to share it on my story. So what I do is that I tap on this airplane icon here, and as you can see, the first icon says add to story. So I'm just going to do that. And once I tap on your story, it will be posted to my story. So it will be shared with all of my followers. And before I post it, you can even make it bigger or smaller or even smaller than this. You can add stickers or mention someone or maybe draw something on it. Tap done. And you can add it to your story or you could share it with your close friends. But this is one way. What about the other way? The other way is from your own profile. So let's say I have some reels here, and if I tap and hold on one of them, from here, as you can see, the last icon says share. So if I do that, again, I could add it to my story and make some changes and then share it with my followers. So basically, these are the 2 ways that you can share a reel on your Instagram story with your followers. Hope that helps. And if you have any more questions, you can just ask me in the comment section.